What is it?
Fuck it in the bucket.
Huh? Who's fucking in whose bucket?
Fuck it in the bucket. That's his dialogue. What do you want to say?
Nothing. How was your chat?
My chat. I was just speaking to my friends.
Friends. Ironic, no? Yesterday talking to me.
Drizzling, huh? It's drizzling or it's drizzling? It's drizzling.
Oh, it's only for boys.
What plans for the night, bro?
Huh? You?
Huh? Nah, bro, we don't do that anymore.
You don't do that. We'll start.
Because when we do that, then they leave us.
What? What is it about? That's a word. Closure.
Wait, guys, time to go to Italy again. Yeah, baby. Say hi, bro. Yo. This room is hot. What, you want it from the back?
Yeah. You good? Sean, have it. I'm not having fucking so much, bro. Okay, half. No, I'm not having so much. Half.
Abhi, I'd like to congratulate you.
He's coming on Wednesday.
For what?
I can't say for what, but in front of
You're asking
God,
for money or you're asking for congratulations?
in front of God as our witness, I would like to shake your hands.
He wants to shake.
I need to know the reason for what.
I would like.
See, he's shaking hands with the shake.
After the off-camera conversations, he just wants to shake your hand.
I want to document
That was
this
a good.
moment.
That was a good cut. Hey, right hand.
Yeah, right
Right hand.
hand.
Yes.
Let's go. Here we go,
Here we go.
baby.
Here we
Fabrizio.
go.
Bro, what is it? What was it that day?
Where we at, lads?
Where we at,
Come
lads?
to eat at what? Karam Public. Karam Public. What?
This guy is Karam ka dharam. Only this guy is Karam Babli.
Cucumber, carrot.
Some more.
More.
He said
How was it shopping for some perfume?
My brother Kunal spent 300 Ds and saying it was very cheap. Living in the UK makes pounds look.
Just to clarify, these is drums, not anything you guys don't know about. What's it? My man just come from the gym. You can see he's a proper. He's looking like he just came out of the coffee machine. That is different. The palette he's wearing, but. Say hi to the vlog, mate. How are you doing? What's up? How's life?
There's car behind. Hey, Kural. There's car behind.
What did you say?
Calf on your bum, bro.
Taf. This guy is still in 2015. Wait. Copyright claims, guys. Time to go get some breakfast, and finally, we're eating South Indian today. Let's go. So I had to say, I'm finally meeting my childhood friend, and he's a pilot for Fly the Birds. Yeah. So
What was your
he's so humble. He's having South Indian breakfast with me. Yo, bro, let on say hi to the vlog. Why are you blushing, bro? You have so many fans.
only fan?
I don't like vlogging here.
Man doesn't want boba.
You are right, yo.
I'm trying the Dubai chocolate edition ice cream, kunafa flavors, something. So we are going to this restaurant where we used to go as a family.
Yes.
9 years ago.
Hey, cancel.
9 years ago we used to go as a family. So it is what it is. Only I had the dosa with my man, not from Sarvana Bhavan but from Venus. Abhishek, we're going to Curry's place finally. What's up, lad?
This guy, huh?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, I was taking that guy's ironing like that.
You know the assignment.
Yeah, if it hits, means.
Means you know what it. 3, 2, 1. What did you say, Abhi? You love? What? What? You love who? Loudly. You love who? Guys, now it's for you to decide who he loves. Since how many years?
Just move a bit, bro.
Bro, whose CV are you reading?
Show to the vlog.
Nah. Aryaz and Sarvana Bhavan. And Abhishek Sandra. To try what's so good about this thing. Liron, you had good things to say about it, yeah? Is it good?
It's good, bro.
Too many calories for sure.
मेरे हुस्न के अलावा कभी दिल भी मांग लो ना
Dubai Metro.
Yo, happy Valentine's Day, brother.
This guy is single since a long time. Man.
Your first day of the night.
Happy Valentine's Day, my man. Show me the body.
like this.
What are you? What are you? What are you?
They watching us. They watching us.
She's waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. Roses, and you feel like falling down. I'll carry you home.
One red flag. One red flag. One green flag.
Doesn't make sense. That streak doesn't make sense. That streak is invalid. That streak is invalid. Invalid. This is invalid.
Bro, this guy's talking trash.
Invalid.
This is fucking when you're in love.
Invalid.
When you're in love, where's your red chain? Again, do.
Guys, welcome to the birthday vlog. And look at these people. We're back. We are back. Only eating food. Only eating food. This clip is after last night. Bro, come to eat. Only come to eat, man. Say hi to the vlog, bro. Say hi to the vlog.
Who is in there?
Captain Jade Fernandez.
Who's side here?
Captain
Everybody's sitting far. Ganesh, come.
waiting. Say happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
The tough time has started. The packing has officially begun. I'm leaving. Sadness. Yo, waiter. Get the. Hey, chai. Cha chai.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers. Okay, lads.
Yeah.
The Dubai trip is done.
Yo.
It's a success after 9 years. Do you guys have anything to say?
Huh?
Do you guys have anything to say?
Come back after 9 years.
What?
Come back after 18 years. But we have something to say to the vlog.
What do you have to say, bro?
SRN.
Huh? SRN. What do you have to say with all the people wearing so much color here?
Mohabbati.
But this guy is wearing pink. So all I have to ask, is it pink?
Aula?
Bro?
Is it pink? Is it cancelled?
Okay. Thank you for having
us.
for the quality time. And I hope you guys subscribe to the channel because I haven't asked for followers.
Subscribe, like, share.
And if you like more vlogs, we'll start doing more travel.
Get the shares to 208.
Yes, and and I just have to make an announcement that bro, sorry, you can't be in this part.
Why? Why can
Because if you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
And the journey continues. Dubai trip finally ends. Bye. Take care. I'll see you soon.